Let me ask you something. Do you genuinely feel in control of your income right now? I mean, really? Because if we're honest, most people don't. They rely on employers or governments, economies they can't control, and systems that seem to get harder and harder to survive every single year. Because prices keep rising, taxes keep rising, the value of money drops and disintegrates, and most people are just trying to work harder to keep up. But the thing is, the people who thrive over the next decade won't be the hardest workers. They'll be the people who develop skills that allow them to adapt, skills that create independence, skills that create optionality, skills that allow them to generate income regardless of what's happening in the world around them. And that's exactly why myself and Akil Stokes created a brand new live workshop, the Freedom Trader. This is a 2-day online event. It's happening very soon, and it's designed to help ordinary people understand how professional traders approach the markets safely, logically, and realistically. Now, before you roll your eyes and think this is another one of those get-rich-quick trading events, let's be very clear. This is not BS or hyped-up guru crap that you see on Instagram. This isn't gambling. It's not one of those fake luxury lifestyle webinars where someone rents a Lamborghini and promises you to make millions by Tuesday. That's not us. This workshop is about helping people understand a real skill. A skill that will allow you to understand financial markets, think differently about money, and potentially create an income that is no longer completely tied to your time, your employer, or your economy. Because whether people like it or not, trading is one of the few skills in the world where you can work from anywhere, you can start small, and your results are based on your decisions, your disciplines, and your processes. Not your background, not your qualifications, and definitely not your age. Now, during these 2 days, Akil and I are going to break down how the Forex market actually works, how traders really make money, how to read price charts properly, how professional traders think differently, how to manage risk correctly, and how to avoid all the mistakes that wipe most people out before they even get good. We're going to cover market structure, price action, trading psychology, strategy building, risk management, and what realistic progress in trading actually looks like, because most people online are teaching fantasies. We want to teach reality. And honestly, that's why so many people connect with our approach. We've built a phenomenal reputation because we don't promise overnight success. We teach structure, we teach discipline, and we teach people how to think independently. Now, this workshop is going to be for you if you're tired of feeling financially stuck and you want a bit more control over your future, you've been curious about trading but overwhelmed by all the nonsense online, or you simply want to understand how this world actually works. But it's definitely not for you if you're looking for shortcuts, because shortcuts don't build freedom. The skills that we're going to teach you will. And that's the entire point of this event, to help you begin developing a skill that could genuinely change the way you think about your income forever. So if you'd like to join us, click the button on this page and reserve your space now. It's live, it's online, and it's going to be incredible over these 2 days. So I can't wait to see you there. I'll see you inside.